Hello, I'm George Jensen. I'm going to be the instructor for Rhet 3322, which is the Introduction to Professional and Technical Writing. For each week, I'm going to do a short little video like this, which will set up the week, and then we can go from there. First, let me say real quickly, the purpose of this course is to provide an introduction to the professional and technical writing major. If you want a course in either technical or business writing, you should be taking either Rhet 3326, which is technical writing, or Rhet 3316, which is a business writing course. It's called Writing for Work. So if you have any questions about that, you can send me an email at ghjensen@ualr.edu. Let me go on and say briefly how the course will be organized. On the navigation board, which is on the left-hand column of the website, you will see a category called Orientation. This is where the syllabus is and the requirements for the course and so on. You need to read that. There's also a button or link for content. If you click on content, it'll take you to a page where you will see each week the assignments posted for the week. So the assignments for week 1 are already up, and you can go to content and then week 1 and find out what you need to do for the week. I will try to have everything ready to go and posted on Friday before the week where we're going to be doing all of those activities. And you'll have basically until Friday the next week to complete those tasks. The other thing that I would say, look over on that left-hand margin and notice that there's also a link called Discussion Board. That's where we're going to have most of the activity on the course. So here's right now how I'm perceiving most of the course being set up. Basically, what we're going to do is watch a video. This is a video it's a series of videos that Dr. LaPlante, you can also call her Dr. Barb, in our department developed last semester when she was teaching the course. And so these videos will basically be the introductory kind of material that we'll be learning about for the course. So there's no textbook. There will be some things that I will post on Blackboard for you to read, but I will let you know about those as we move through. So most weeks you're going to watch a video and you're going to have some discussion about that video on the discussion board. For this week, we're going to watch the video with me. So this is Dr. Barb asking me questions about the major and opportunities for our majors and where our majors get jobs and things like that. When she did this video, I was still department chair. I'm no longer the department chair. Dr. Carter is now our department chair. But you will see basically a discussion of our major and some different issues as well. And I do a little talking about some of my research and some of my writing process and so on. In that discussion, I mentioned some of my research with personality theory and writing processes. This is research that deals or uses the Myers-Briggs type indicator. You can find versions of the Myers-Briggs type indicator online. If you want to go online and take them, you can take them for free. There's also some information that's basically gives you an overview of how different types of people tend to write. So you may want to follow up on that. So this week, watch the video. You're going to make comments about the video, and that will be the basic task for this week. Some weeks there will also be a reading assignment. Now, let me discuss overall with the course, and you will see this in the orientation section when you look at the syllabus. You're going to get 300 points for completing the weekly tasks. So doing things like watching the video, making comments on the video, and doing any readings. And that'll be 20 points per week. We're going to have 15 weeks in the semester, so that'll work out to 300 points. Twice during the semester, I want you to attend open office hours. This will be for about 20 to 30 minutes, although I'll set up a slot for an hour and you can drop in anytime during that slot. I'll try and have a range of slots open so that you will be able to attend at least 2 of those during the semester. And if there's some kind of problem where you're not able to attend these, we'll try and make some kind of accommodation. But if I'm doing 1 a week at different kinds of times, then you should be able to get in 2 of these in 15 weeks. Now, I may not do one of those online office hours this week when we're getting geared up, but every week after that, I will probably be doing the online office hours. I also wanted you to do one kind of project, and we'll talk about this more as we move through the class, but this will be worth 400 points for the course out of 1,000 points possible for the whole course. And here's what I'm thinking of with the project, but we can talk about some options. Basically, I would like you to do something that would be of benefit to our majors as they move through the major, or to professional writers who are practicing writers and maybe are trying to build their skills or learn a little bit more about some particular kind of task. So we'll be talking about some possibilities for that. This could be something like a document that you post online. It could be a video that you do. Videos are getting easier and easier to do, and I'm doing one right now with Screencast-O-Matic. It's not that hard. So that might be what you decide to do, but we'll talk more about this. Final project for the course is I want you to write out, toward the end of the semester, your plan for success. And this is worth 100 points. And this might just be a couple of pages or so. But what I want you to start doing, and you might want to start taking notes about this as you're going through the course, is think about what kind of courses are you going to take? What kind of jobs are you interested in preparing yourself for? How are you going to best prepare yourself for those jobs? And to develop both the hard skills and the soft skills for that job. Now, what are hard skills and soft skills? Hard skills might be something like learning how to use a particular kind of computer program or learning how to edit certain kinds of documents. Soft skills are more the skills that are interpersonal kinds of skills. Speaking skills is certainly one of those, but how you work in groups, how you get along with the people that you will be working with is a soft skill. How well you're able to speak in public, do presentations, and so on. Those are all soft skills. And some of the soft skills might be things like learning how to dress appropriately for a job interview, learning how to conduct yourself in a business environment. So we'll do some talking about those kinds of things as we move through the course. So that's a basic introduction. One other thing about the videos, and I will say this in writing on the webpage as well, if the videos are not loading real well or if they're running a little slow, you might want to switch servers and see if that helps. I've found that Chrome works better for me than some of the other servers, but just keep that option in mind. If you're having some trouble with the videos, switch the server and see if it works a little better for you. So I'll see you online this week. Welcome to the course. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're one of our majors. and we're going to try to prepare you to go through the major in a mindful way, as I say in the video when I'm talking with Dr. Barr. So take care. Let me know if you have any questions. Send me an email. Have a good week.